Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvez and this is our 13th video in Python 3 programming basics. In the previous video we have learned how you can create functions or methods in Python 3. In this video we are going to talk about creating lambda functions in Python 3. So I have created a new Python file, and before writing our code, let me explain about lambda functions. A lambda function in Python programming language is a small anonymous function. So in Python, anonymous function is the function that is defined without a name. While in normal, if you have watched my previous video, let me show you. In normal, when we create functions in Python, we can write def and we write our function or method name. But in lambda function, instead of writing def, we write lambda. So let me show you the syntax of a lambda function. The syntax you can write like this. We have a lambda. After that we write our arguments. So, and after arguments we write our expression. So this is the syntax of a lambda function or a lambda expression. Now let me show you an example. For example, I'm going to create a lambda function, lambda, and the argument is a and a plus 5. So now I want to print x5. Now if I run this, you can see that I have received 10. Let me make some more example, and you'll be familiar with lambda functions. Let me create a lambda function that multiply argument a with argument b and print the result. So I want to create like this lambda function that multiply argument a with argument b and also print the result for me. Okay, now x lambda, the argument, we need two arguments, argument a and argument b, and the expression that we need to multiply these two arguments, so a times b. Okay, now in here let me print my lambda function, and I want to add my 5, and for example I want to multiply this. Let me run it. You can see that now I have received 20. Okay, now I'm going to create another example. I'm going to create a lambda function that sums argument a, b, and c and print the result. So I have 3 arguments and I want to sum those arguments and print the result. So let me create a lambda. So lambda, I have 3 arguments a, b, and c, and I want to sum these arguments, and after that I want to print my lambda function. So for 5, for example 2. Now if I run it, okay, now you can see I have received 11. This was lambda function, but the power of lambda is better shown when we use an anonymous function inside another function. So let me show you. For example, I have a function, let me call it my function, and the parameter with parameter n. Now I want to return lambda. You can see that I have an anonymous lambda function inside a function or method. So a, I want to multiply this with my n parameter, not n. Okay, now after this let me print this. Let me first create my func and my function, and I want to 3 In this example, when I add let me add a number, for example 11. Now it will double this number. So you can see I have received it 33, and if I give it, for example 2, and it will give me 6, and if I make it 5, it will give me 15. If I change this to 5, it will give me 25. So now you can see this was a lambda anonymous function inside a function. So thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos, don't forget subscription of my channel.